there! Welcome to season 1 of Me Done with Ajovi, meaning let's cook with Ajovi.
We're going to start by roasting our vegetables. So you want to mix it all. Start with the bell peppers, the onions, the spring onions, the garlic, and your scotch bonnet. You add the carrots. Same process. Now you want to sprinkle oil. Basically, you just want it to coat everything. And then you add your herbs. This is your mixed herbs to it. Toss and toss. There. Now you want to transfer it into your baking tray. And you put it in the oven at 180 degrees. The vegetables are beautifully roasted and the aroma. Now we're going to have to blend it in our food processor. So for the jollof rice, we have our oil in here. Oil is hot now, so I'm going to start by adding rosemary and my turmeric powder. I add my bacon. So it's very essential that you use a smoked bacon, since that's the style of the dish. You add your tomato puree and you stir. And stir till it's well combined. Now you add your ginger to it. You stir and stir. It's very essential that you stir. Next, you're gonna have to add some blended tomatoes. The aroma, gosh, really divine. And you add water next, and then you stir, cover it up, and let it cook for some few minutes. Our sauce has been cooking for some time now. Now you want to add the roasted blended vegetables. You stir, and oh my gosh, the aroma, the flavor, the smoky flavor coming out of this pot is out of this world. I can't wait to eat this food. You want to add water to it next, just so that it doesn't burn. You want to reduce your heat at this point. Cover it up after stirring, and then you let it simmer for some more minutes. Okay, so our sauce has been cooking for some time. You are going to now stir it just to be sure there is no burnt base in the stew. Next, you want to add your curry powder and then all the other seasonings you're using for your jollof rice. Now, with seasonings, I don't limit it to what I'm using. I think you can use whatever season your family is used to. Here in this case, I am using curry powder, chicken seasoning. I'm using stock cube, shrimp stock cube. I usually use shrimp powder, but I don't have, so I'm using crayfish. That's what I'm pouring out now. I usually use bay leaf as well, but I don't have at the moment, COVID lockdown, so I'm just using what I have. So entirely up to you what you want to use. I'm going to cover it up, let it cook again for a while. Our sauce has been cooking for some time now, and okay, it is really done and well. There's no stickiness or burnt base, which is a good thing. So our rice is ready now to be added to the sauce. Now I have to wash my jasmine rice and add it to it. My jasmine rice, I have washed thoroughly over and over again to get rid of as much starch as I can. This is very essential, this process, because if it's not properly done, you end up getting sticky rice. So it's very essential to wash and get rid of as much as you can. At this point, I have turned off the heat as I add the rice to the sauce. I have an option of either cooking on the stove or in the oven. and I want to cook this particular jollof rice in the oven, hence the reason why I turned off the heat. The rice and the sauce are very well combined, which is good. I'm okay with my taste. You can taste and then add some salt to it, entirely up to you. I am okay with the season and the salt content. Everything is well balanced. I'm now going to add some hot water from my kettle and stir, and then cover it and get it ready for the oven. I'm putting it in the oven at 185 degrees for 60 minutes. Our jollof rice has been cooking for the last 60 minutes, so we will now stir it all through and then put it back in the oven for 10 additional minutes. Now, in stirring, it is very important that you are quite gentle with this, else you would have the rice all broken. The jollof rice is cooked and ready to be served. I will be serving my jollof rice with 2 different salads, beetroot salad and pak choy and apple salad, dressed with homemade vinaigrette dressing and spicy chicken wings. Now you can put it within the comments if you want me to make a video about the salads or the chicken wings, whichever, just let me know. Please do remember to subscribe, like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and let's explore together. Hope you enjoy your meal.
Subscribe and let's cook together.